Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. Sony's camera lineup has been relatively quiet this year, but rumors suggest that may change in November. After a long wait, Sony could be preparing to unveil the A1 II, a successor to its flagship A1, which last received an update in March 2021. The A1 set itself apart with remarkable specs, and now fans are eagerly awaiting what new features Sony might bring to its successor. Additionally, whispers of the Sony A7V and A7S IV add to the excitement, setting up a promising season for Sony enthusiasts. The potential release of the Sony A1 II has enthusiasts speculating what upgrades might justify its position above the highly regarded Sony A9 III, which hit the market in November 2023. Thanks to its rapid capture capabilities, the A9 III became Sony's top choice for high-speed photography, especially in action and wildlife genres. If the A1 II is indeed on the horizon, it will need to expand on the A1's achievements, like its formidable 50-megapixel full-frame sensor, 8K video capability, and advanced autofocus systems. Rumors point to significant upgrades, including dual processors, which could increase shooting speed and processing power beyond what the original A1 offered. The A1 has earned a reputation for excellence in high-resolution stills and 8K video, so any successor would aim to maintain that versatility while advancing areas such as low-light performance and video stabilization. Many expect Sony to improve the A1 II's autofocus capabilities to match the A9 III's speed, but with even higher resolution, ideal for wildlife and sports photographers who require detailed, high-resolution images. Enhancements like improved dynamic range and an expanded native ISO range would further set the A1 II apart. Another focus may be on creating a video powerhouse, potentially offering 8K at 60 frames per second or even 6K or 4K RAW recording, catering to filmmakers who seek flexibility across varied lighting conditions and styles. While the A1 II might be the main attraction, the rumored A7V and A7S IV are worth discussing. The A7 IV, since its release in December 2021, has become a go-to for hybrid shooters who value both photo and video quality. However, competitors like the Nikon Z6 III and Canon EOS R6 Mark II have recently challenged the A7 IV in this space. If Sony releases an A7V, it could reclaim some of that ground by building on the A7 IV's 33-megapixel sensor, possibly enhancing low-light capabilities and autofocus performance. Video users might also hope for improved 4K recording quality and expanded frame rate options for slow-motion shooting. With user-friendly handling and a balanced design, the A7V would appeal to photographers and videographers seeking high-quality performance without a flagship price tag. Meanwhile, the A7S IV would likely continue Sony's focus on video, following the success of the A7S III, renowned for its low-light performance and 4K at 120 frames per second. An A7S IV could advance in areas like internal video codec, potentially adding 6K recording or further enhancing low-light sensitivity. The A7S series has long been known for excelling in low-light situations, so an A7S IV would likely appeal to videographers working in challenging lighting environments. There's also speculation about a new lens launch, the Sony FE24 to 70mm f2.GM. If Sony introduces this, it would compete directly with Canon's RF24 to 70mm f2, offering photographers a high-performance, wide-aperture zoom with slightly more coverage for Sony's full-frame cameras. This could become the go-to lens for professionals needing sharp, versatile optics. Several sources suggest November 19th or 20th as the anticipated reveal date during New York's Creative Space event. Sony has a history of using this event to debut major products, and given the quiet year, a new camera announcement seems plausible. However, it's also worth noting that Sony may adjust its plans based on internal and market conditions. Should Sony announce the A1 II, it would mark an exciting moment for fans of high-performance cameras. For those more interested in versatility or video, the A7V or A7S IV might deliver just the right mix of features. The potential unveiling of the Sony A1 II, A7V, and A7S IV signals a pivotal moment for Sony's camera division, with each model offering unique value across different user needs. For photographers and videographers alike, these models represent the next step in high-performance, feature-rich tools designed to elevate creative potential and set new standards for image quality, speed, and versatility. If Sony introduces the A1 II, the camera will likely raise the bar significantly in the high-end camera segment. The original A1 became a flagship model for Sony, balancing speed and resolution in ways that appealed to both still photographers and filmmakers. The rumored A1 II promises even more, potentially offering faster processing with dual processors, improved low-light capabilities, and a more robust autofocus system for action photographers and wildlife shooters who often work with demanding subjects. These upgrades could make the A1 II a highly desirable option, blending top-tier speed and precision with ultra-high resolution. Additionally, videographers may find the enhanced video specs, such as 8K at 60 frames per second or 6K recording, provide a new level of flexibility, making it easier to adapt to different projects and lighting conditions. This makes the A1 II not just a successor, but a likely contender to push the boundaries of hybrid camera technology. Then there's the potential release of the A7V, which, while not positioned as a flagship, could become the ideal all-rounder in Sony's lineup. The A7 series has always held a unique spot for hybrid users who want robust photo and video capabilities without a sky-high price. The A7 IV brought a great blend of image quality, ease of use, and video versatility, but as competitors like Canon and Nikon released more capable models, the A7V would need to step up its game with improvements rumored in low-light performance, autofocus speed, and possibly more advanced 4K video options. The A7V could find a sweet spot for photographers and videographers wanting a versatile tool that doesn't compromise on quality. If it brings enhancements like expanded dynamic range or better battery life, the A7V may reaffirm its role as the go-to hybrid model that caters to both the casual shooter and the seasoned professional. For those focused on video work, the A7S IV is likely to appeal as a dedicated low-light video machine with performance potential that builds on the A7S III's legacy. Known for excelling in tough lighting conditions, the A7S line has often been a lifeline for videographers working in less-than-ideal setups. The A7S IV could take this to the next level with rumored upgrades in 6K video recording, enhanced internal codecs, and better low-light sensitivity. Such features would be a dream for videographers and filmmakers who shoot in challenging conditions or prefer to work with minimal lighting setups. Additionally, if the A7S IV expands its frame rate options or offers new modes for slow-motion footage, it could become even more appealing for creators who value cinematic, flexible video capabilities. These potential improvements would make the A7S IV an indispensable tool for anyone focused on high-quality video production.